Hello, and welcome to the club. Oh, this sweet vintage typewriter is just our type. With a couple of phrases to choose from, you will love the versatility of your new April design. Your shipment this month comes with everything you see here: your B-size vintage typewriter transfer and 3 spring-tastic paste singles in Almond, Ocean Mist, and Couture Coral. The surface I've chosen is our classic 9x12 Couture gallery board with a white 8-in frame. I've also gathered some trays for my paste, 2 mini squeegees and 1 small squeegee, my fuzzing cloth, transfer trimmers, and a water bath for easy cleanup. Let's get started by cutting apart the transfer along the cut lines. I love that this has a couple of phrases, which makes it really fun for different projects. Now I'll just get it centered on the board, including the phrase at the bottom, just using my fingers as a rough guide. Now I'll get this transfer prepped by peeling the backer off and then pressing the sticky side to the terry cloth of my fuzzing cloth. This picks up a bit of lint, which gentles the adhesive a bit and just makes it less likely to stretch when removing it. Now I'll get it smoothed onto the board, making sure there are no wrinkles or bumps. I'll prepare my first paste packet by kneading the package a bit, then snip off the corner and squeeze some out into my little paste tray. Then I'll load up my small squeegee with Ocean Mist paste and smooth it over the screened area. It goes on so easy, it's got great coverage, and then I'll just scrape the excess, and then you get to the best part, the peeling it off. Oh, it is super cute. Love that blue-gray Ocean Mist. Now I'll get that into the water bath, and I'll get the phrases positioned. Fuzzing each element first, and this bottom one doesn't touch the type, so I'll carefully get it smoothed out here. But for the top one, you definitely want your typewriter to be totally dry before you stick it down so you don't risk smudging it. Now I'll prep my 2 remaining pastes, again kneading and then dosing each out onto the paste tray. Kneading the packet acts like stirring your paste, which you would do if it were in the jar. Now I'll use my mini squeegee with Couture Coral first. Just load it up and then smooth it on. That's so quick. Now peel it up. And now with a clean squeegee, just a touch of almond for the top. And peel that up as well. And there it is. So quick and so cute. It may have a vintage vibe, but it's just the type of fresh design you'll love to create with again and again.